Eh, eh, What's up, YouTube? What's up? What's up? My name's Robbie Bright Jones, and welcome to my channel. And as you can tell by the title, I have 1K subscribers. And I'm so happy. Nigga. Well, so I'm actually here to thank you guys. I mean, I'm super grateful. I'm very grateful. You guys have been so amazing. This journey is not easy, but you've been with me. You've been watching my videos. You've subscribed. You've done what you have to do, and I am so grateful. Hey, damn, I'm in the spirit. Yes, so thank you guys for 1K subscribers, and I must tell you, the future of my channel, the future of this channel is very promising because I have a lot of shows that I want you guys to what am I even saying? Like, what I'm trying to say is there are a lot of things in the pipeline. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. And I'm back again with the British accent. British accent, but it ain't working. It's not working. So let me just cut the bloody crap out. So guys, I'm very grateful. Thank you all for subscribing to the channel. And I mean, without you, I wouldn't be here. So yeah, and you've already subscribed. I'm gonna just add this to the end of the video. Kindly subscribe again to the channel and like the video. I mean, it's not possible. I wish it could be possible to subscribe again. So I mean, yeah, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and I'll see you in the next video. I'll see you in the next video. But before I leave, let me